So I'm back again. I haven't done a video for a little while, about a week or so. I've been quite busy, but I picked up some locks from the car boot sale this week, and I've got two of this style Euro lock. Don't know if you can see that, but obviously it's anti-snap. It's got quite a tricky little keyway there. I have had a little go on it already, but yeah, it's quite tight and it's quite narrow. So that's one of the Euro locks. I've got a second one exactly the same as this. I don't know if you can see the branding on the front. It's just got a kite mark and a star. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Can you get in there? Yeah. So I've got two exactly the same. And it has got some markings on that side. So, yeah, that's the markings. But two of those, same key. So I'm going to break one of those up. And maybe send that out to a couple of the people that comment on the on the video. Maybe make a challenge lock if you subscribe or share it. And I also picked up a gate mate, and I've actually dismantled it already, but this is what I'm left with. So I'll show you the first piece. So this is the long section, and it's a dimple lock. You can see it's 6-pin, but the only issue with that is I haven't got any dimple picks. So I'm just gonna keep hold of this and pick up a set of dimple picks. And this was one side of the lock, and it was all sheeted in a piece of metal. And then you've got the other side, which is the short stumpy bit. It reminds me a little bit of one of Andy Mack's lever handles, but yeah, so that's the short end anyway, and that would sit kind of like this, and it was working on a cog mechanism. But yeah, so I picked them two up and the 2 euros, so really happy. But I'm going to have a go with the euro today, and I'm just going to rake it for now, see how we get on. And what I've been doing lately is just starting off with a small rake, just in case all the pins are fairly high set, and then if I get no joy with that after a few minutes, I'll go with something a little higher and a little higher, until maybe I'll end up with something like that. So you can see the difference there. There's a lot more ridges, it's a lot higher. And just a basic Z wrench. So I've got the keys here, so you can see there's the key. And it doesn't look like very difficult bite in there at all, is it? But yeah, so it's all working. It's locked up. So I've got the Z wrench in. And I'm looking at that key. I'm going to start off with the really flat one and see how I get on with that. But I'm using the honest rakes. Again, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm using the honest rakes, and this is a number 10. And these are from UKBUMPKEYS, and these have opened everything that I've raked with these. I've opened really good. Can't recommend them enough. And actually, the website UKLockPickers is actually selling them on sale at the moment. I think they've got one set left, £8.95, and I was tempted to buy that last set just in case I broke one of these. So I really do like them. So anyway, enough chat, let's get on with it. Got a false set there, oh, and another really deep false set. It doesn't seem to be much spring on the cylinder. They're not really springing back when you let the tension off. I'm going to try it from that way. it's been a tricky little bugger, this one. It's having trouble getting in that really thin key one. I'm going to try a different tension wrench. I'm going to try one of the twisted tension wrenches on this one now. Seems to it's fitting in that keyway a little bit better. Alright. Oh, little shit. There we go. That's got that. Okie dokie. Thanks for watching, and obviously check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, share it. The more subscribers, the better. But like I say, I'll be cutting one of these, and I'll be sending these out to a couple of users that that comment and share. Thank you.